In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the outgoing ads. The outgoing ads are created by advertisers, anyone that wants to basically push ads to the ad network. And so an advertiser would build an outgoing ad package. He would find available screens in the ad network. He would set the start and the end time for the ad package, and he would configure the ad package with the resources or files that he would like to include in the package. The files that are supported are Flash Video and Swift Animation and images, and the collection of all these files would make up a single ad package. So once the advertiser is happy with the ad package that he created, he can find a screen and submit the ad package to one or more screens in the network. The screen owners, on the other hand, will receive the ad package, and they can either accept or deny the ad package depending upon the content, after reviewing the content or after negotiating a price with the advertiser. And if they accept the package will run for the duration of the start and end times and end dates of the ad package. And at the end of the month, the screen owner will automatically have a report that he can generate with the proof of play, so he can provide that to the advertiser. Now, a screen owner, on the other hand, will actually use the incoming ads module to set up the screens, to set up the rates, provide the proof of play, and accept and deny ad packages. But again, we're not going to cover this in this video, because this video covers the outgoing ads, the interface that advertisers will use to build their ad packages. So here we can kind of review the flowchart and understand the procedure of setting everything up. So first, you create an ad package, as you can see here. The ad package includes the contents. You'll add the content of different video files and Swift animation and images. Then you'll find some available screens in the network. The ad package will also be set with a time and a date, so you can set when the ad package will start running and when will the ad package expire. Once you've configured the package, you'll submit it, and the station owner, the person that you've selected the screen when you've built the ad package, will either accept or reject your ad package. If the package is accepted by the station owner, it will begin executing at the selected screens for the date range that you have set for your ad package. However, if the ad package is rejected, you will be notified back through the Signage Studio, and then of course you can communicate back with the station owner and find out why, and possibly resubmit the ad package after you made the changes. And the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're using release 3.0 or later, as previous releases do not support the advertising features. So you can click on Help and About, and sure enough we're using release 3.0, so that's good. And next you want to go ahead and enable the outgoing module. So let's go ahead and click on Navigation and Outgoing Ads, and here we have access to the advertising outgoing module. And the first thing you're going to do is create an ad package. So you click on the plus sign right here to add your first ad package. Let's go ahead and rename the package. I'll select it and call it my ad package and press enter. And the start date will be today, and the end date I'll set it to be the end of the month, so that's fine. Next, I'm going to select the different files that I want to include in my ad package. So I'm going to drag and drop this Flash Video and a Swift animation, and also take an image. So I'm creating this ad package called ad package, and it includes 3 different files. That these are actually the ads. And let me go ahead and make a little bit more room here so we can see better. And this selected ad package, if I select the different resources, I can set the duration and the repetition of each one of these files. Now, ad packages are built using increments of 1 hour. So right now you see that I'm using about 4 or 5% of the hour if you add these percentages up. And so really this ad package will not be playing very often. If I wanted to increase this, I could change the repetition and the duration of the resource. For example, if I set the duration of this video to be 25 seconds and the repetition to be 50, you can see that now my ad package is getting closer to 40% of the hour. And so you can play around with the different duration repetition of all the different files in your ad package to try and fill a whole hour if you want. So once that we've built the package and we've defined the start and the end dates, and we've selected the files that are going to be part of this package, we need to find some screens or stations that we would like to push this ad package to. So we'll switch to the station picker. And there are several different search criteria that we can enter here. We can search by business name, by station name, and station keys. We can also search by location. We can enter our location. We can put a zip code, for example, and find our address. And then we can find within a particular radius stations of neighboring businesses. So again, there's different ways that you can find screens in the network. So once we've set our criteria, we'll go ahead and click on search. And next I can start clicking on each particular station, and once I do, I'll get more information on that station here in the description down below. So if I'm interested in pushing my ad package to a particular screen, I select the station, drag and drop it, and add it to the list. Now if I find additional screens in other locations that I'm also interested in, I can select them and add them to the list as well. So now I'm running my ad package at 2 separate locations. And I also have the ability to choose a different start and end time, as well as the different dates per location. So if I select my first location, I can set the days that I'd like to run my ad package at. And for the second location, I can also set different days and different start and end times. Next, I'll go ahead and click on File Save to save my configuration and synchronize all the information with the database. And now that we've submitted our ad package to the particular screens, all we have to do is just wait for the status to change. In other words, we have to wait for the screen owner to accept our packages, and so the status will change from pending to accepted. Now, if you wanted to create your own advertising network and also wanted to provide proof of play to your customers and also have the ability to accept or deny incoming ad packages, you will just need to upgrade your account, and then you'll get access to the advanced features as well. And so as you can see, the outgoing ad module allows you to easily create advertising packages simply by dragging and dropping resources. You don't really have to work with a timeline. You just add your files that you're interested in, find the screens that you're interested in, and submit your packages to those particular stations.